What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rich Doll Era, and today we are doing a basic wig restoration. This is a service that Rich Doll Era offers. So girl, if you got a wig laying around and you need that frontal replaced, or you just need the basic restoration treatment, which is just the lace cleaning, restoring the hair, maybe a little cutback, bleach pluck, yeah, send it to us. So today we have on the chopping block a 28-inch 13 by 6 straight wig, and I'm just pretty much showing y'all the little details of how matted it is. This definitely got pulled from the archives, and the customer was like, restore it, please. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So the hair is really pretty, by the way. And in a second, I think it's coming up right here, I had peeped, boom, is that a hole? So I started showing the 2 holes, but with this service, they're not getting the frontal replaced. So we're still just going to go ahead and clean up the lace. But subscribe if you're new. Let's get right into it. Okay, so now I'm pulling out my handy dandy tools. So I'm just going to get the area prepped. I don't want to, the table ain't $1 million table, but I know this can get a little bit messy. So I don't want it to get too messy. I'm just going to put, some cover down. That way when it's time to clean up, boo, I'm just going to ball this piece of paper up and throw it away. There we go. Period. So now I'm just going to go ahead and continue to get everything prepped. I done brought the wig out. Here you go, baby. Let's get started. So I am going to use the glue remover first. And then here and there, I'm going to add some of the shampoo, because the shampoo really kind of moves all the residue and stuff out the way. And then here and there, I'm going to use some of the conditioner. I feel like if the remover and the shampoo is not working on certain spots, I do add just a little bit of conditioner to make it softer a little bit. I don't know, maybe I'm delusional, maybe it don't work at all, but I don't know, it gets the job done. So I'm going to go ahead, move the camera up closer like I just did, and kind of just speed the video up. Y'all still be able to see the process. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I forgot to move the camera, so I'm just kind of just big and bold in a way. Yeah, easy on the big. But yeah, so I'm pretty much detangling the hair. Then I started actually doing 2-in-1. So I have 2 straight wigs. The original wig, of course, is a 28-inch 13x6 bust down, and then I have a 24-inch straight bust down. I just added that in there because I'm like, oh shoot, let me just go ahead and get this one out the way, because y'all, I have multiple wigs to restore. We ain't got time to play one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do both of these, but they're both straight, so you may not be able to tell the difference. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up too, because I'm literally just, yeah, you see all that steam, I'm just detangling the hair in some super steaming hot water. This hair did not shed bad or anything at all. It actually turned out really good. See, I knew this wig had potential, but keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm at the part where, okay, it's out the water and everything, and I'm just getting a little bit more residue off the lace. Also putting conditioner on the hair. So I'm conditioning the hair. This is going to restore the softness and everything. Well, I guess I'm doing that first. But after I condition the hair, bless you, mama. After I condition the hair, I am going to, you know, continue working on the lace. Any spots I feel like I missed, I'm just going to go back and just go from there. Okay, so we are pretty much done and we're here. So I have the black wig on the mannequin. We're going to go ahead and scooch over that purple wig over there. And whenever it comes to the straight hair, I like to go ahead and blow dry that out. Whenever I have my curly wigs, well, whenever I'm restoring curly wigs, I let it dry overnight. But with straight wigs, we're not doing that. I'm going to go ahead and get this blow dried. And there you have it. So the hair is in a blowout stage right now. It actually straightened pretty good. Just minimum frizzing. So now the next step that I'm gonna do, oh, it's really soft and fluffy, y'all. I know sometimes it'd be hard to tell through the video, but it is. So next we are going to use Silken and Mist by Cliff Vermeer. We're going to use the heat protector, and we're going to use the Silken and Mist. Yes, and we're going to do a cute little flat iron. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I pressed it out a little bit with the flat irons, and y'all, it done got even more fluffy and flowy. Oh, this is some really, really good hair. It came out so good and soft. So pretty much I'm just showing the flow of the hair. This customer said, yeah, girl, please put my baby hairs back. Put them back. So that's what I'm doing now. I did cut the lace back slightly. Did a little re-bleach and a little bit of plucking. Look at that pluck on the freaking side. Oh my gosh. But I am going to put her curly baby hairs back in, and pretty much I am done. Y'all, I did, forget to put the bleach and the pluck in there. I got a little bit of the footage, but it's not good enough. So I did have to take that part out. But I did do just a slight cutback, bleach, fire plug. But yeah, besides that, pretty much finished. Let's just watch the rest of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I know I'm just talking or whatever, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we are pretty much finished here, but I do have a gift bag that go in every package. With the purchase of a human hair wig, you will get a Rich Doll Era hair bag with a Rich Doll Era drawstring bonnet, baby, and a HD lace. That's the good lace. And you will get a melting lace band. Girl, hurry up. The video almost over. Okay, you get the hanger for the hair bag. Hang the bag up, boo. Hang that wig up. And you get an edges brush. And what else? Okay, and you get the razor to cut your lace off, and you get some eyelashes. So yes, it's a whole bunch of goodies that come in your package. Subscribe for more. Gross.